Contamination. That's what hospitals around our area are trying to do tonight. We've been telling you for weeks now about this year's spike in flu cases, and Matt Markham explains what you could be facing if you're heading to the hospital anytime soon.
If you have visited the emergency room this week, you might have sat there for a while.
It was several hours that we were going to have to be waited.
You ever have to wait that long in the ER before?
No, usually most hospitals in the area are pretty efficient.
But they are strained by a strain of the flu that is more than just an inconvenient illness.
We're probably kind of toward the spike, but it's hard to tell.
Dr. Clifford Erickson is the head of the Albany Memorial Emergency Room and notices the impact of this flu outbreak. One could imagine the wait to get in would be longer. Is that something people should consider when they wonder whether or not they should go to the emergency room?
I think what you need to consider in making an emergency room decision is the totality of your symptoms. How are you feeling? Do you have other medical conditions that might be impacted by influenza?
Just yesterday, 17 people walked into the emergency room here at Albany Memorial out of 124 with flu-like symptoms. That's a lot for them. This hospital is one of many in our area, putting limits on visitors in an effort to stem the flu tide. Anyone 14 and younger should not visit North Adams Regional Hospital, 13 for Cobleskill Regional. It's 12 for Saratoga, Ellis, Albany Med, Glens Falls, or the hospitals of St. Peter's Health Partners, which includes Albany Memorial. Many of those are also limiting visitors to 2 per patient room.
School-aged children are the ones who are most likely to actually carry flu virus, and anyone who's ill or feeling unwell should refrain from visiting.
Flu-like symptoms, stay away. They include fever, sore throat, runny nose, aches, chills, fatigue, and nausea. Following the rules could help emergency rooms open up and offer quicker care. Matt Markham, CBS 6 News.
And if you have not had your flu shot yet, you're not the only one. A mad dash is being reported at pharmacies across the country. But are they keeping up with demand? We're going to visit one of them at 6:30.